In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer so you can work directly on the page where you want your list to appear. Once the canvas loads, click to highlight the section or container where the bullets should live. If you're working inside a rich text element, click again to place the text cursor so the list will be inserted exactly where you need it. Next, open the Add panel to access elements. You can do this by clicking the plus icon in the designer interface. In the Add panel's search field, type List to quickly find the list element. When it appears, click the list element to drop it into the highlighted spot on your page. Webflow will add a list wrapper with a few sample list items you can edit. By default, you can choose the type of list you want. Select Unordered to create classic bullet points. If you need numbers instead, you can switch to Ordered to make a numbered list. For this walkthrough, switch back to Unordered so we're working with bullets. With the list selected, go to the Style panel and make sure bullets are turned on so your list markers are visible. If you ever need a clean, unmarked list for custom icons, you can use no bullets to hide the markers. For now, turn bullets back on so we can style them. Open Show All Settings to reveal the full set of list controls. Under Style, choose the marker look you prefer. Try Disk for a solid dot, then preview Circle for a hollow dot, and Square for a more angular feel. Click through these options and settle on the one that matches your design system. Keep the list highlighted and glance at the canvas to confirm spacing and alignment. If your design calls for it, you can fine-tune things like left padding or marker position later, but the key is to ensure the bullets align with your text grid. Click the canvas to review, then click back in the Style panel to confirm your chosen style is applied. From here, replacing the placeholder items is simple. Click into each list item and type your own content. Press Enter to create a new bullet. If you need a line break inside the same bullet, use Shift plus Enter. To rearrange items, just drag them in the Navigator or cut and paste the text. That's it. You've added and styled bullet points in Webflow with full control over whether they're unordered bullets or ordered numbers. And with quick access to